The 2025 Volkswagen T-Cross starts at $34,000 drive away. That puts it $3,000 more than a Hyundai Venue, and nearly matches what you'd pay for a hybrid Toyota Yaris Cross. What you're getting is a badge and interior space that embarrasses both. The T-Cross has 455 liters of boot capacity, with rear seats that slide forward another 14 centimeters. People who pack sports gear weekly will notice this every single time they open the tailgate. Here's the uncomfortable part. You're paying for German engineering built on a Polo platform with a 1-liter 3-cylinder engine pushing through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox that hesitates at exactly the wrong moments. That DSG transmission delivers smooth highway shifts and respectable fuel economy on paper. In stop-and-go traffic, it lurches forward from stoplights and pauses for nearly 2 full seconds when you need to merge into moving lanes. This isn't about preference anymore. People who commute through congested city centers will spend the first month learning to compensate with throttle timing that feels unnatural. The engine makes 85 kilowatts and 200 newton meters of torque. Those numbers sound modest until you realize the CX-3 makes less torque from a larger naturally aspirated engine, and the Venue delivers identical output from an identical displacement. Where the T-Cross wins is refinement. The 3-cylinder thrum stays muted at highway speed, and overtaking doesn't require planning 3 cars ahead like it does in the Venue. Real-world fuel consumption sits around 7.2 liters per 100 kilometers. That's 30% worse than the claimed figure, and it requires 95-octane premium. People financing for 72 months should factor an extra $1,500 in fuel costs annually compared to running a Yaris Cross hybrid. The cabin quality exceeds what Hyundai and Kia deliver at this price. Soft-touch surfaces on the dash, weighted switchgear, and a digital instrument cluster that doesn't feel like an afterthought. But hard plastics dominate below knee level, and the manual air conditioning in the base life trim feels like cost-cutting that contradicts the premium positioning. Space is the T-Cross's genuine advantage. Rear legroom accommodates adults without knee contact to front seat backs, and headroom stays generous even with taller passengers. That sliding rear bench means you choose between passenger comfort and cargo capacity every time you load the car. Most competitors make that decision for you. The R-Line at $41,000 adds 18-inch wheels that compromise ride quality and styling elements that don't improve daily usability. Volkswagen offers a 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty. Kia and Hyundai deliver 7 years. That 2-year gap matters to people who keep vehicles past the finance term. Service intervals happen every 12 months or 15,000 kilometers. Capped price servicing for 5 years costs around $2,850 total. The DSG transmission needs fluid changes every 60,000 kilometers to prevent the juddering issues that show up in owner forums consistently. People cross-shopping. The Yaris Cross should understand you're choosing between immediate throttle response with a hybrid system versus more interior volume with transmission lag. The T-Cross delivers on space and perceived quality. It charges a premium for engineering that feels inconsistent when you need urgency at intersections. This car makes sense if cargo flexibility matters more than powertrain refinement. What's your bigger frustration, tight boot space or hesitant acceleration? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.